Hey, I'm here to give you website tips that will uplevel your SEO and your Instagram game. Let's get started. So today's tip is all about how to create those really cool scrolling graphics that people have of their brand new website. Launching your website is huge, and I'll be sure to put a link below about all the things you can do to make your website launch a big deal on social media. But one of the best things is to have a really awesome video that captures people's attention, and this will definitely do it. The first step in the process is to get on your website, and then you get QuickTime. If you don't already have it, download it, and you can type in new screen recording, and you push start, and you just slowly scroll down your website to get that video of your website. It's time for step 2. So what you do is you find a photo that you really like in Unsplash or Pixabay, and you simply will download that photo and put it into Photoshop. From there, you want to create a simple rectangle, and I just will create it in white so that it looks a little bit different. Make sure that it's fit perfectly. For my purpose now, I'm just going to make it okay. And then you will go in and you will place embedded. Make sure that over here you have the rectangle selected. So you want to place embedded. You find the video of the screen recording that you just did, and you simply place it. Make sure it fits to the rectangle. And then you can enter. And then over here you want to go, you can double click if you have a Mac, and you click Create Clipping Mask. Our next step is to create a video timeline. So if you aren't seeing it down here, just go up to Help and type in timeline, and then you should be able to create a video timeline. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll this rectangle and have it match up with the above screen recording. Just as a quick tip, when you push play right here, the video is going to be going super slowly. So don't let that freak you out or anything. When you export it, it will go faster. So the process to export it is you go up to File and then Export, and then you render the video. And since this is for me, it's just going to be on Instagram, you don't need a super high quality, so medium is definitely fine. Rename it and click render. That's it. Pretty simple. So if you have any comments at all, but just leave them in the comment box below, and I will also make sure to put the links that I think might help you with this whole process, and have an awesome launch.